from Raw Blend.
Hello.
We'd just like to say a massive thank you to all our subscribers. We have just reached over 30,000 subscribers on YouTube with over 3.3 million video views. I want to also say a massive congratulations and thank you to Monique. She is usually behind all the videos. She's also made a few guest appearances. And also a big thank you to Claire as well, that you've also seen on our videos.
So exciting. If you have any recipe suggestions you'd like us to make, we would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comments below.
And make sure you head over to our Instagram page, Raw Blend Oz. Be sure to follow us and keep up to date with what we're doing on social media. It would be greatly appreciated. So, from all the team at Raw Blend, I'd like to say,
Happy blending!